Yay.
Who are you, the judge?
Yes, I'm just throwing my hammer at your face.
No, let's see you pound it on the table. Like the judge. Ouch. That's not very nice. Now you can't have it anymore.
I know, well, the judge doesn't like those things.
Oh yeah, well you got the I got the secret lock turned on, so you can't get out now.
Get off of there!
What are you doing, man? Are you taking Matthew's backpack somewhere?
To school?
No, she's off.
I'm getting out of here. No matter what, I'm getting out of here.
That's what you think. Uh-oh, I'm almost out of batteries. Ah! You can't figure that out. See what it done me.
What does it do?
What do you think?
No,
You have to look at it to figure it out, huh?
Am I warm?
Maybe.
No, are you warm?
You have a temperature?
Am
Not
I?
that warm. I just went outside. Actually, it's cold out.
Maybe you're trying too hard.
Sounds like Amanda's trying to help.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I get it.
Ah! Here she comes.
Is she pooping?
Yeah, probably.
She's making those sounds over there.
Here comes one. Now, for the other one. I got one out. Now
Amanda, you know what? This great bottle thing is on the floor.
Oh, now I get it. I will get it.
And somebody's not going to have any more mints. Oh, Jesus. Because they can't pick up the paper.
I got it out. Guess what, Dad?
Oh, he escaped.